Okay, just arrived in a tremendous car for the value, the Range Rover Velar, a car that we've sold hundreds of, ever so popular because it looks fantastic. And this one is a D180, which is in an immaculate condition really for its age. It's a 2020 70, done 34,000 miles only. And what you'll see looking around this car is a fuel efficient vehicle which has lots of space for a family. It's four-wheel drive, it's got the full Land Rover Black Pack, but for me as a selling feature, it has the 22-inch diamond turned wheels, the opening sunroof, Meridian sound system, electric seats with driver memory, reversing camera, heated seats, full leather interior. And what a buy it is for somebody who's looking for a new car, the Range Rover Velar, or even just a similar size four-wheel drive. In the last year to a year and a half, this car has dropped in value to a point now where it is an incredible buy for you. And if we're selling it, it means something. It means that it's a great car. But looking around it and the condition, it is absolutely beautiful. Well looked after and recently serviced. This Velar has the full Land Rover factory black pack. So if I stop this vehicle here on the turntable, you'll see black Range Rover badging, front and rear, black grille, midsection through the bumper, and an all-round fantastic look, LED light. But like I said at the beginning of the video, the biggest selling factor for one of these cars usually is the wheels, the 22-inch wheel upgrade. Now diamond turned with the darker grey centres. The black theme continues through the bonnet into the wings and the mirrors with the roof as well. Now in a Velar you're getting keyless entry. This car has full electric seats with driver memory and the Meridian sound system. So they're nice features to have with heated seats as well, but just a real top car. Opening sunroof as well, not a standard feature at all in the Velar, even to have the glass roof. This one's gone over and above with that opening roof. Isofix points across the back, lots of space for a family. And I love this car. Now, my name and number is on the screen. It's Richard. If you want to know how you can buy this vehicle, then please call me, because there's a number of ways, namely on PCP, with a 10% deposit. I'm not going to give the actual figures, but it's very, very good value. It's not a high payment at all. Lots of boot space. You'll see we've got assisted tailgate. Again, another feature that you don't get standard on one of these cars, and the reversing camera system, front and rear parking sensors. Now then, jumping in this car. I've mentioned this a couple of times already. If you look into the door first, you see we've got Meridian sound system, which is upgraded, electric memory seats for me, but full electric seats for the driver and passenger. Keyless entry and keyless start. Cruise with a lane assist. Easy operating system in these cars, but you'll see we've got double touch screens, so top one for your navigation, media, Bluetooth. It's got Apple and Android CarPlay and a really user-friendly interface. The bottom section here giving you your four-wheel drive and terrain modes. Front screen which is heated, rear screen which is heated, seats which you can heat from here or through the jog down here, and digital climate control. Popping the car into reverse through the disc here, you can see we've got reversing camera, front and rear sensors, and a real top car. Now, opening roof, which is switchable up here with the powered blind. It's also got privacy glass. And if this car doesn't sell straight away, then we have a problem here at Ackland, because we sell a lot of cars very quickly. Anything around this sort of value, which look as good as this car does, but you've got to admit, it looks pretty special. Especially now I've turned it on and you can see the running lights on the car. Again, not a standard feature on one of these Velars. You know, you can get these cars without these LED running lights at the front. It looks great, doesn't it? It's on the website now. Please call at your earliest convenience to buy this car. Thanks for watching.